Where is...
Oo. Okay, live na tayo,
Okay,
ladies.
saglit ha. Where is...
We are live.
Asan na
Good
yung aking ano?
afternoon, everyone. Happy Saturday. So beautiful day. Pinuksan ko ang aking bintana. But anyhow, good afternoon. It's Tita here. Magla-live lang po ako with my business partners. Sharing with you guys kung ano yung mga ano namin dito, yung mga ano yung exciting news na ina-anticipate namin, and then yung experiences namin with the event. Thank you. So anyhow, before we go live, before we take on our topic today, I will, Sis Jenaline, I will we'll introduce ourselves first, and then ano ko na yung question na iti-take on namin today. So, again, it's Tita here. Sis Jenaline, nawala ka. Ayan na.
Sorry. Technical issues.
It's okay. So yes, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. I am in Ontario, but two of my business partners here are from Calgary, Alberta. We are all in Canada, and we are here to share you some exciting stuff that we are looking forward into. So anyhow, before anything else, I will give the ladies the privilege to introduce themselves. Okay, so Sis Marites, you are the next one in my screen. So go ahead.
I'm trying to find the link to share it to our no, hindi ko mahanap. Okay, anyway, good afternoon everybody. Happy Saturday. It's Marites here from Ontario, Canada, and glad to be here.
Awesome. Ako na lang mag-share. I think I've seen it. Okay. Go ahead, Sis May. You're the next one.
Hello, good afternoon. Happy Saturday sa inyong lahat, or Sunday sa other side of the world kayo. Ako si May, I'm tuning in from Calgary, Alberta.
Awesome. And then next one is Sis Moriel.
Hello. This is Muriel here. Happy weekend, everyone. I'm here in Canada. I'm a medical office assistant. And hello sa inyong lahat. At thank you for tuning in.
Awesome. And then the last one is Sis Jenaline.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And dito na naman kami. It's Jenaline here, from Edmonton, Alberta. So we are all healthcare and now doing our live and giving you some insights on our future event.
Amazing. So we are anticipating to do. We have an event that we are all going. So that's why excited kami na i-share sa inyo ito. Okay, so this is a different. Thank you for the thumbs up, Dian. And so we're gonna do it like Taglish na lang, okay?
So para mas komportable, no?
Kung ano yung komportable kayo na i-share. What we're gonna do here today is parang ano lang, i-share lang namin yung kung ano yung mga takeaways namin when we go to this live event. And Sis Marites this will be the first one, but I have been to one of the convention and I have met Marites and Sis May in person, but I'm looking forward to meet Sis Muriel and Sis Jenaline in person, and which is the one na yung upcoming na event namin na which is all of us talagang we're gonna be in one place. So that's gonna be like super exciting. Yes. So anyhow, what we're gonna share with you today is parang isi-share lang namin sa inyo kung ano yung experience namin when we have this live event na pinupuntahan namin, how it will help us in terms not only with our business, because we are all business owners here, hindi lang into our business but as a person. Right? So yan yung isi-share namin sa inyo. So I actually have questions na i-discuss namin. So ang gagawin natin with the first question, mauuna Sis Jenaline, and then we go backwards, okay? And of course, I'm not
Ano
yung
Exempted. I'm not exempted.
Ako yung last. Okay. So the first question that I have here, ladies. Okay, yan na. What is your number one takeaway from the previous Gather and Grow or convention that you have attended, and how did you apply it into your business? Okay, Sis Jeneline, take it away.
Okay, thank you for that question. So, ang aking last convention that I attended was last year
Mhm.
in October sa Calgary. So, with that convention, I had Sis Muriel and Sis Majin with me. So, my biggest takeaway on that event was that it just reminded me that success doesn't happen overnight. Sa
Mhm.
lahat ng mga successful business owners na na-meet namin doon, they were working behind the scenes like 3-4 years. Though we see them very successful now because they work hard by being consistent, doing go lives, doing like whatever they can, new learning, meeting new people. So we see them. So it's the biggest takeaway for me that through continuous learning, being consistent, talagang you will be successful. So it's the biggest takeaway for me. So back to you.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing, sis. That is, yes, because like wala kang talo if you go to this kind of event, because talagang mamimit mo yung mga tao na nag-struggle before and then now talagang yeah, so there's a lot of things that but I'm going to learn from you also, ladies. And then the next one is Moriel. Sis Moriel, how was
Yeah.
your
My Calgary experience, yeah, that was my first Gather and Grow sa Calgary last year, October nga, as per Jenaline. So doon ko sila nakilala. We just meet online through Zoom meetings, pero finally, and then sis Jenaline, nagkita kami sa simbahan. We go to the same church, and then siya kilala sa akin na, magka-business partner tayo, sabing gano'n. It was, sabi ko, teka, sandali, sabi ko gano'n. So si Jenaline nga ang nakakilala sa akin. So the biggest takeaway that I had during the convention, the Gather and Grow last time, is that I don't have to have it all figured out. Kumbaga, before I can take action. Kasi, ang kailangan lang natin dito sa ating negosyo is we are willing to start and then learn and to keep going. Yes, of course, consistency is really very important in our business. Kung hindi tayo consistent and mawawala yung ating enthusiasm, di ba? You have to show up every day in your business. Gaya ng kung may traditional business ka, you open up your store. So we always have to show ourselves online too. So parang binuksan natin yung store natin on that case. So ang ginagawa ko, how I apply it to my business is I stay consistent even if pagod ako sa trabaho, I don't feel like doing my business. I still show up dahil importante yon to be successful.
Awesome. Yes, I love that. Yes. Talagang, yeah, because lagi kong sinasabi, even if, like, sa work natin is talagang, kung hindi tayo papasok, hindi rin naman tayo sasahod, di ba? So, the same concept talaga. There's nothing different. You just have, for me, talagang i-shift mo lang talaga ang mindset mo from employee to being a business owner talaga. Thank you for that, Sis Moriel. Sis May, your turn.
All right. Okay, so it's my turn. So actually, yung first convention ko ay back in 2023 dito rin sa Calgary. Na-meet ko si Sis Tita, and yeah, she's very lively person. So nakakatawa. Then I met Sis Marites sa ating Christmas party, like I think 2 years ago, 2024. Or
Sa Toronto, yes.
2024, nag-meet tayo. And then na-meet ko ulit si Sis Tita. And last year, October, I attended yung Gather and Grow. Na-meet ko si Sis Jenaline and Sis Moriel, which is a very, very exciting na part ng business. So, some takeaway ko naman sa mga conventions na na-attenan ko ay failure is not the reason to stop. It's part of the process. Yung kumbaga, kung nag-give up kaagad tayo, hindi natin malalaman how far are we sa ating success. Kasi karamihan sa mga leaders natin or sa mga successful sa ating community, they keep trying. So sa first failure sila until hindi naman natin makikita yung success, yung anong tawag na breakthrough sa first try. Maybe not even in our 50th try. Baka sa pang 100 times. So who knows kung nag-stop tayo sa ating 99 try, hindi natin malalaman kung magiging successful ba tayo, di ba? Yun yung takeaway ko. And kasi dati parang gusto ko na rin mag-give up, but hearing those experience ng ating mga leaders, yung mga frustrations na pinagdaanan nila, na-inspire ako to keep moving forward as well. Na pag napagod, take a break, pause, and then keep going again. Yun yung takeaway ko. And I think yun yung parang pinakamalaking nakuha ko na na-share ko sa aking team din. Yun yan.
Yes. Awesome. Oh my goodness. I love that one. Yes. So, hindi porket hindi ka nag-succeed in your first attempt, especially the first year talaga, yun ang very crucial. Because kaya marami dito sa atin na nandito na sa business na hindi nag-go because they like it's only how many attempts you did and then nag-stop ka na kaagad. No. Yeah. So but anyhow, dito talaga kami nag-learn when we go to this kind of gatherings because yung mga milyonaryo na ang daming pinagdaanan nun. Pero kung nag-stop sila, din wala din, di ba?
Yes.
Thank you for that, Sis May. Now, Sis Marites, it's your turn.
I think this question is not applicable for me. I haven't going to, yes, next month will be my first gather and grow na pupuntahan ko. And but I meet two of you in person, Sis Jen and Sis Tita, that 2024 December on our Christmas party. And Sis Tita, we've been seeing often. And then, yeah, so I am looking forward to that. And feel the vibes, what you feel during your first gather and grow.
Amazing. Yes, because this is going to be your first time. So
Yes.
it's my turn now. So this is my second time because I attended the convention in Calgary with so that's where I met Sis May first time talaga. And then but for Gather and Grow, this is my first time. So I'm super excited too. Now sa unang convention ko, talagang ang ano ko doon ay yun similar sa sinasabi ni Sis May na don't stop pagka hindi mo makita kaagad ang result. Because like sabi nga na, di ba, na yung book na Go for a No, yan ang talagang stick sa akin. Binasa ko agad, nasa plane pa lang ako, tapos ko nang basahin yun. Kasi, yan ang kalimitan na talagang sa atin na yung maraming nag-join sa business and then biglang nag-i-stop, di ba? Because, pagka nakasalubong sila ng 10 no, ayan na kaagad. Parang na-determine na nila kaagad na this is not for me. For me, when I see someone, especially sa ating business community na super dami ng mga successful people, that means for me, I always think when someone is succeeding, that means the system is working.
Yeah.
So sino ang doon? So tayo, individual. So how many no's did I get? Thousands, maybe like 100. I would say hundreds. Yes. Why I'm still here? Why? Because I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. I'm learning every single day. Yan ang ano ko diyan. So hindi like I've been in the business more than 4 years. Now, kung tatanungin niyo ako how many no's did I get? So many. Yan ang sinasabi ko, siguro hundreds na, right? So many. Now, and what do I do with that? No, I use it as my stepping stone. I ask myself, maybe there's something that I need to change. Maybe there's something that I need to tweak. So kumbaga, I use it kung paano ako makapag-level up. Hindi yung I use it to motivate me to move even further. Hindi yung madadown ako. Because again, my thinking is kung may nag-succeed, that means it's working.
Yeah, it's working. Yeah.
Yes. Awesome. Yes. I love it. Now, so I have mentioned earlier, so meron kaming the next one, Gather and Grow. Ito yung sa next month na almost there. 5 weeks, ladies. 5
Yeah.
weeks. Yes.
Lapit na.
Malapit na. Yes, pupunta kami ng Vancouver. Yes, pupunta kami ng Vancouver next month. So very excited talaga kami lahat kasi lahat kami na nandito, yung mga mukha na nakita niyo dito, isang bahay lang kami. Bahay lang kami that time. And tatlo sa kanya, Sis May, Sis Muriel, at Sis Jenaline, galing yan sa Alberta. Kami ni Sis Marites, galing kami dito sa Ontario. So, yes. Super excited kami. Kailangan pa nating magplano, ladies. Okay?
I know.
Kasi meron kaming one day na magagala kami. So yan ang yeah. So the next question that I have here is i-hide natin ito. Ito yung ating we're going to talk about doon sa upcoming naman. So kanina is yung previous na event namin. So this time, ang amin namang pag-uusapan is yung the next one na pupuntahan namin next month. Next month na.
Yes.
So this time, ano na naman tayo? So mag-umpisa ako pa rin maguna. Kasi
Oo.
kanina ngayon ako naman mauna. Okay. So ang ating topic this time, ang question natin ay what are you excited about in our upcoming Gather and Grow and why? Oh my God, I'm super excited talaga. Because unang-una is mamimit ko uli yung mga tao na na-meet ko dati from the convention. And then pangalawa, mamimit ko yung hindi ko pa na-meet in person. Just like Sis Muriel and Sis Jenaline, hindi ko pa yan na-meet. Right? And other than that, makikipag-mingle ako sa mga milyonaryo. Makikihawa ako doon.
You're rubbing elbows.
Yeah.
Rubbing elbow, will be hugging, you know? And then, and isa pa, it's my first time sa Vancouver. So I'm super excited talaga. And super excited ako sa mga things, na mga techniques na malelearn ko from successful people na magiging speaker dito sa event na ito. So, ayan na. Yan na yung sa akin. Okay, the next one, Sis Marites, ito na talaga yung turn mo. Because
Okay, so ito na yung question na para sa akin. Okay, yeah. So like what Sis Tita said, excited na ma-meet yung mga business partners na hindi pa namin na-meet in person. And at the same time, yung aming mga leaders, lalo na yung mga nilulook up namin na mga leaders dito sa business. And meron akong 4 people na gustong makita talaga in person. There are 4 of our leaders in our business community, and it's really amazing every time I watch them. I attend their daily drop-ins, and it's somehow they inspired me. And one of them was actually she take up a part of my decision to join in this business, and I'm so really excited to meet Coach Tina Willis.
Awesome,
Yes,
awesome. Yes,
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 she's
yes.
my inspiration actually when I
Mhm.
started with this business. And yeah, and she is like every time I watch her video, she always opened my mind like the positivity in every words that she said. I think it's coming in me, and then I use that to create my content, to build and grow my business. And one of those that I want to meet is Chris and Karen.
Yes, yeah,
Chris
yeah.
and Karen. And of course our founder,
Mhm.
Mike and Darren. And I'm excited kasi nasa VIP dinner tayo.
Yes,
Kasama
Yes.
tayo sa VIP
yes.
dinner.
Tayong tatlo,
Yes.
yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
So,
Yes,
talagang
nasa VIP tayo, paano tayo, close tayo sa mga leaders natin.
Mhm.
also with
Maraming photos. And of course, yeah, pictures. And I'm excited to listen to their stories and to apply it to grow my business.
yes, amazing,
Mhm.
amazing. That's good. Yes, thank you, sis. Yes, we were all excited talaga. Grabe. Yeah,
Mhm.
because like guys, I don't know. It's just it's so different. The vibes is so different. Yeah. And sis May.
Yes, so ako naman, excited ako dahil syempre, makakapag-travel ako and this is a business tax write-off, di ba? So, it's a like business and pleasure and mag enjoy ka na, mara-write off pa sa taxation time. So, and syempre, para ma-meet ulit yung mga ating mga leaders na na-meet ko na previously, mamimit ko ulit kayo, makakasama and makakachika for the whole night. And then,
Walang tulugan.
pinaka nilulook forward ko na makasalamuha si Ann Turbo and
Yes.
then hopefully nandun din si Karen. New yan?
Yeah.
Gusto ko silang ma-meet. And then learn from them and syempre i-apply yung mga strategies na matutunan ko from them i-share sa aking mga sa ating community.
Yes, amazing, amazing. Yes. Marami talagang marami tayong matututunan talaga when these events are happening. Yes. Sis Muriel.
Ako naman, excited ako sa energy na matatnan ko doon. Kasi lahat tayo, di ba? We are all excited to see each other, to see our founders, to see our coaches na nakikita lang natin online. And then, at last, we will be rubbing elbows with them. Although hindi ako naka-VIP ticket, but still, di ba? Nandun ako sa loob. And I'm also excited for the lessons that I'm gonna learn, the new strategies na ina-apply nila sa kanilang business para maging successful sila, and to apply it to my business as well. And also, excited din ako sa ating enchanted Enchanted
Kingdom team.
after the event, we have our Enchanted dinner na pwede tayong so excited ako, makita ko na yung mga suot ninyo. And then,
We're gonna
male
get creative.
night, kumbaga, diba? So that's it. And then after that, this is actually two birds in one shot, right? After
Yes.
our Gather and Grow, we have another event the following day. And
Yes.
then after attending those two events, I'm going to see my brother in British Columbia.
Exciting.
Ang daming mangyayari sa akin during that trip. And I'm off from work, and that's it. Yeah.
Yes.
It's time for my
Absolutely.
business, for my dream. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm off for a week. Okay, Miss Jenalyn, your turn.
Yes, so I'm super excited because this will be my second time in Vancouver. So the last time we went, super busy din kasi nagmo-modeling kasi yung anak ko. So the last time we went was on her, supporting her, be there all the time. So hindi kami nakagala, like it's not for myself, like magala-gala kami, it's for her. So we don't really have time to gumagala that time. But I'm super excited. First of all, makita kayo, yung hindi ko pa nakikita in person, only sa online. So I'm super excited. And of course, yung mga speakers na hindi ko pa nakikita, and I'm looking forward na katulad ni Majin, si Ann Turnbull. Because I know I have a friend that she's also following her, then but she's not
Yeah.
in the business. But I'm intrigued why she followed her. But that's my like I'm really looking forward to meet her. And PB and Josh, of course.
Yes,
I was
yes, yes,
in person. They're so like
yes.
very successful now, and they're also in healthcare, right? So like I want to
Yes.
learn something from them. And of course, yung mga gala nights natin, na tayo-tayo lang.
Yes, excited.
Yeah, so we have our business day, and we have also our own day, yung ano natin,
Yes.
personal day off,
Yes.
diba?
Yeah.
Yeah, the last, yeah.
Gala-gala tayo to see Vancouver, of course. I'm so excited and looking forward into that.
Yes, yes.
Nakaka-excite mag-dress up na aside from our usual scrubs sa trabaho, makakapag-dress up tayo, di ba?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, so,
Yeah, it's also my first time to go out to visit Vancouver also.
so there's a lot of exciting stuff really. And yes, we're going for 2 events. We have Saturday, so it's gonna be a kind of trip na we are learning, growing, like 2 events that we're going to be attending, and then of course there's the gala night, and then we have our own gala too on a
Yeah.
Monday.
Yes.
So that's why we're super excited, and of course we wanna share with you guys our excitement here. And yun nga sinasabi ni Sis May earlier, because nasa ano kami, because business event ito. So yung expenses namin ay nakiklaim namin yun sa tax. So that is one of the big plus talaga. So that's why kung wag kayong ma-shock na meron kaming mga tax refund instead of us na magbayad.
Yeah.
Because of that. So it's I always think it I always see it this way. Na talagang it's always a win-win because we're going there, okay? And we are going to gain strategies, knowledge from successful people in our business community, and of course we are learning. We learn, and those are the things that we can also apply to the people that we have in our team. Diba? So it's always like, when you're learning, when you're growing, you're helping people. That's always a win. Plus, of course, with business expense, so which is amazing. You see people, you see places na gusto mong puntahan, and it's always an advantageous for you because there are tons of people who wants to learn, but all they have to do is to pay thousands and thousands of dollars. For us, it's already in. Yes, so this is I always say na I'm like, I learn a lot of things from doing this business rather than nung nasa school ako. Because guess what? Those are the things that we've learned years ago in school. It's not applicable now anymore, sad to say.
Yeah. Kasi nag-i-evolve na, lalo na sa mga technology, di ba?
Yes, obsolete na yan. So ito yung dito sa amin, because like most of the thing that we are learning is we get it for free. Talaga. Yes. So yes, awesome. Thank you, ladies, for sharing your insights about our events and our excitement, of course. But I have a bonus question for everybody na hindi nyo alam.
There's
It's always a bonus. I knew it.
Okay.
Before we wrap up, okay? But this is like, this is applicable for each and every one of us. And so at of course, so people that are watching us, malalaman din nila, okay? So here we go. This is so this is my bonus question for everybody. Okay, what was your number one fear when you started this business, and how did you overcome it? Let's start with Sis Jeneline.
Yeah. Thank you for the question. It's not really new to me because when I had live with Sis Bernadette, That is the question that I had. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So the biggest fear nung sumali ako dito sa business, of course, is failure. Di ba?
Mhm.
Kasi yun palagi, paano pag hindi nag-success, di ba?
Mhm.
So what people will think, of course, yung first ano natin is, paano yung mga friends ko, yung family ko, di ba? Ano sasabihin nila sa akin na, oh yeah, sumasali siya sa ganyan, but it's a failure. But for me, no. I didn't think of that. Sabi ko, kasi pag sinasabi ko lang, what if I will succeed, di ba? So, of course, makikita nila na I've tried. I work my very best. I've learned. I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to do everything to reach the success, to reach to get my breakthrough in this business.
Yeah.
Hindi nyo pa nakikita na I'm successful right now? Of course, as I've said, success doesn't happen overnight.
Yes.
So we have to
Yeah.
work through it. It may take years. Hindi kami para-parehas lahat.
Mhm.
Our journey is different. So I cannot compare my journey to Sis Tita. Diba? I cannot compare
Yes.
my journey to Sis Maritas. Of course, I work on my own journey, and I believe in God, and I believe in myself that I will be
Yes.
successful in this
Most
business.
important thing. Yes.
So don't think kung natatakot kayo, subukan nyo lang. At least if you fail, that's fine. At least you tried. Yun lang masasabi ko. Back to you,
Yes.
Sis Tita. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. Yes, lahat naman siguro tayo, we're scared of to fail. Lahat siguro tayo. Yan na yan. Right? But the question is, how would you overcome, di ba? Yun. Kasi yung iba, pagka nag-failed nga, ayan, lumagapak na. Pero yung iba, pagka nag-failed, dire-diretso pa rin. Di ba? So, nasa sa atin yun. Now, Sis Moriel, what was
My biggest fear is that pumasok ako dito sa business na to nung wala akong alam. Hindi ko alam kung ano tong pinapasok ko. But then, I am coachable, I am willing to learn, and then andyan meron tayong sinasabi na step-by-step video training. O di ba? So, hindi naman kailangan na pumasok ka sa isang negosyo na alam mo na lahat. There's nothing
Yes.
na gano'n. Lahat tayo lahat ng mga bagay dito sa mundo is napag-aaralan.
Yes.
You learn, right? You learn and you grow. So, paano ko na overcome itong pagiging walang alam sa business is I go to the training, I do my training, I attend Zoom meetings, and then I reach out to those who are already successful in the business. May mga coaches tayo and mga mentors na it doesn't mean na you own your business. I mean, you own your business, but you're not alone in your business. So you can reach out to anyone. As soon as you get into the business, merong training, my mentors, my coaches, and the community that is very supportive. So yun po, at nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. That means to say, I am always willing to learn and get out of my comfort zone so I can be successful as the rest of the business partners globally. Yun po.
Awesome. Wow, ang galing. Yes. Thank you to our viewers, by the way. Maraming salamat. Wow, that was good. Yes. And lahat, again, it's not siguro one lang yung tinanong ko, but lahat tayo marami tayong tawag nun, hesitation, marami tayong hindi alam nung pumasok tayo. Now, Sis May, ano naman yung sayo?
Ako naman, biggest fear ko ay kung kaya ko ba? Kaya ko bang mag-commit hanggang end? Kasi baka excite lang ako dahil bago siya. Yung enthusiasm baka sa umpisa lang. And then pag nakita ko, kaya ko bang hanggang to the end, panindigan yung decision ko na mag-start sa business na to, yung mga ganon. So, naisip ko, na-overcome ko ito dahil nakikita ko yung success ng ibang tao sa community na to. So, iniisip ko, kung kaya nila, bakit hindi ko kakayanin? Bakit kung kaya nila, kaya ko rin to? Yung parang may mga moments na down ka or you get tired. Tapos, meron tayong community na like, na nagbibigay ng motivation sa atin to keep going. So yun yung nakatulong para ma-overcome ko yung feeling of doubts, frustrations, ganon. So sa community natin na kagaya ng ganito na nagkukwento-kwentuhan tayo, nakakarinig ka ng advice from other members of the community. So, parang napupush ka talaga. So, yun yung nakatulong para ma-overcome ko yung fear ko from the start na kung kaya ko ba or kaya kong mag-commit. Yun.
Yes. Awesome. Yes. Lahat tayo meron talagang ano. Yes. Thank you, Sis May. Sis Marites. Ano yung sa'yo?
Lahat ng fear na sinabi nila, ganun din yung...
Yes.
Pero siguro ang idadagdag ko na lang dun is
All of the above.
yung idadagdag ko na lang is yung mag-go live. Kasi when I started in this business talaga, don't get me wrong, I always in social media, but it's just to post pictures, like, just to have like a life update. Where I go, what I do. So that's it. But like doing a go live, I had never did that before this business. So yun yung sinabi ko na kaya ko ba to? I know I believe in myself na kaya kong gawin yung mga bagay na hindi ko pa nagagawa dahil like you, Sis Tita, I'm very competitive. yung pinupush ko yung sarili ko kahit alam ko minsan may pagdududa, pero syempre sabi ko kung nakaya ng iba, makakaya ko din. And I learned to become more what you call this one, stronger, and I learned to become more have more faith and believe in myself because of this business. And sabi ko, if I wanna try to do go live, hindi mag-work ang business ko. And those people are waiting for me to fail. Are there. Like there's so many of them. so I said like I will do it. And I tried, and I'm so grateful with Coach Mary and what you call this one, the 30-day challenge of Go Live.
Yes, me too.
Yes, that made me start to do Go Live, and because of that, na-overcome ko yung fear ko doing Go Live. And I'm doing Go Live now, but not recently because masyado nang busy ang life ko. But I'm still showing up with my business, and I'm still doing Go Live from time to time. But yeah. Facing all this kind of fear is like it's very challenging, but if you will tell yourself that if you will let your fear decide for yourself, you will not going anywhere.
Yes, exactly. Yes. Oh my God. Lahat ng sinabi nyo, lahat yun. Applicable yun sa akin. Lahat yun. Because like, yeah, sa go live then, because yes, I was I use Facebook, pero hindi talaga yung intentional, right? So ano lang, from time to time lang na kung ano yung kung nag-vacation ka, kung saan, parang ganun lang, right? Now, go live, paano ako natuto ng go live? Yes, yung sa challenge namin within the group, and I was already well into my 2 years sa business. So like just to show you na hindi kailangan na meron ka na confident ka na to start. You have to start to be confident, right? Pero lahat ng sinasabi niyo applicable yun lahat sa akin. Pero ano talaga yung pinaka number one ko na fear ko is kung magkaroon ba ako ng time to do the business. Kasi yun ang nung 3 times ko kasi nakita ang webinar before I decided. And then yung number one na tawag nun excuse na sinabi ko kay Coach Mildred, wala akong time. Ang dami kong I was teaching, like I had back-to-back on Saturdays. I was long weekends, like weekends and holidays, longest hours. And then I'm teaching, I have a full-time job, I have a family, all of these things, all of that. So yun ang pinaka-ano ko na wala akong spare time to do it. Right? So yun ang number 1 ko. Pero bakit ko ginawa pa rin? Because first of all, alam ko na kung wala akong gagawing iba, then I will be staying where I am.
Yeah.
Ang goal ko is not to work on the weekend. Yun ang number 1. And then, of course, para makapag, ako ng maraming time para sa anak ko. How would it will happen kung diyan pa rin ako? Diba? Tuldo ka lang, di tuldo ka lang. Di? You have to do something, right? So, yun yung talagang at saka inisip ko din, how did I overcome it? Of course, inisip ko, yung mga CEO diyan, yung maraming, nag-i-excuse ako sa sarili ko na ang busy-busy ko na. Manager ako at that time. Ang dami, I have a small team, I'm teaching, I have do this, and all of those things, it will come up, right? Pero, pag inisip ko yan, bakit sila nag-succeed? Bakit sila busy-busy na sa mga meetings nila, big team, ako konti lang yung team ko, bakit sila nag-succeed? So, I have to do something, change myself first so I can do this, right? So, yun ang pinaka number 1 na fear ko talaga kung magkaroon ako ng time. But, guess what? Now, I do it. minsan meron pa akong time na nag-scroll pa rin ako. I have to find something na mai-replace ko yan. Ang ano lang talaga natin, the key is i-replace mo yung habit mo na hindi nakakatulong sa iyo.
Yeah.
Yan ang yan ang masasabi ko. Oh my God, we have 2 million viewers. 4 million. Okay, magbabasa muna tayo ng comments. Okay, who's this? Oh, sis Marley. Hello, beautiful lady.
Hello.
Thank you. If you really want something, you will make time. Yes.
Yeah.
Ayan na. Yes.
Totoo yan.
Yes, kung talagang gusto mo talaga, maraming paraan. Kung ayaw mo, marami kang dahilan.
Maraming excuses.
Yes. Awesome. Thank you, ladies. Now, before we wrap up, mag-wrap up na tayo. But before we do that, do you have anything to say? I already did mine. So, you ladies, anybody wants to say something before we wrap up?
Don't start because you're ready.
There you go. That's a big one. That's a big one. Thank you, Sis Marley. Thank you. Yes. Sis May.
Yeah, check this out. Bago nyo i-judge, bago kayo mag-isip ng kung ano-ano, check it yourself para malaman ninyo kung ano nga ba ito. Yeah.
Yes. Amazing. Thank you. Sis Moriel?
Yeah, so if you keep doing what you're doing now, ganun pa rin, you will get the same results as you're getting.
Yes.
now.
Ooh, big one. Sis Jenalyn.
For me is imagine yourself 5 years from now. Kung gusto mong may pagbabago, start today. Huwag mo antayin ng bukas. Okay?
Yes.
So that's
Yes,
all. Believe in yourself and believe in God. That's it.
Yes, I love it. Yes. So, anyhow, thank you, ladies. Maraming salamat. Ang sarap ng aming kwentuhan. But anyhow, thank you, everyone, for watching at doon sa manonood ng replay. Maraming salamat. So, yes, don't wait until you're ready to start something. If you're not happy where you are right now, there's probably a reason why you were watching us, right? So, do yourself a favor because yes, as sinabi ni Sis Moriel, nothing will change unless you do something different. Okay? So I hope we have inspired you guys. I hope we have given you value with this. And yes, magra-wrap up na kami. Thank you again. At
Thank you.
maraming salamat. Yes, have a
Thank
great
you.
Maraming salamat. Enjoy your weekend.
Enjoy your weekend.